Carbon laser treatment. This treatment is really good for people who are oily, have large pores, have problems with blackheads, and they also have issues with any kind of acne, underlying acne. It could be hormonal, which is minimal. It could be cystic, which is intense. These treatments have zero downtime. You may have a little bit of a pinkish flush for about 5 to 10 minutes afterwards. There's typically zero discomfort in this treatment. Occasionally some people have a little bit of discomfort, but it's very easy to get through. This treatment only takes me about 30 minutes, so it's a very quick in and out treatment that you can do. Now, what this is gonna do, it's gonna cut your oil production in half. So for example, you wear makeup, by the end of the day, if you're oily, that oil starts kind of seeping through your makeup. It gives you too much of a shine, and it just doesn't look good. So this is gonna cut the oil production in half. So you can go for weeks and weeks and sometimes months at a time without having that look at the end of the day or through the middle of the day where your oil starts seeping through your makeup. Now, the next thing it's gonna do, it's gonna actually shrink wrap your pores. It's going to make them tiny in an instant. It's gonna push out a lot of blackheads. Or if you have any kind of blackheads that are super deep, it's gonna pull them up to the surface and make them really easy for us to extract. If you have any issues with acne, whether it be hormonal or cystic, this treatment is really good for that as well. What it's going to do is help kill all the bacteria that causes the acne, and it's going to help clear anything out. So whether you have an active breakout or whether you kind of tend to get breakouts on a regular basis, this treatment can help resolve active breakouts. It can also help prevent breakouts. It's something you can do on a regular basis to attend to your skin to make sure that you don't get those breakouts. Now, the last thing that this is gonna do for you, which is my favorite thing, it gives you a glow for days. When you're a teenager, our face, typically, our skin is very lovely, and it has just this nice kind of like young glow to it. We lose that as we get older. This treatment is something that's gonna bring that glow back. Now, the results of this treatment typically last most of my patients 10 to 12 weeks.